Cool. We're back on the floor at Southern Manufacturing and speaking to Logan Wheeler over at Vision Engineering. How's it been on the floor for these first couple of days of the week?
It's been a really good show so far. It's been quite busy. We're having good quality conversations. We found that typically if you have a good first day, you follow on to the second day, it's going to be even better. So yeah, today's been really good. Hoping for the same again tomorrow. But the hard work starts after the show, obviously, when you're following up all these leads.
Totally. And do you feel that you've got existing customers or people who want to come out and shake your hand and see who you are, or you've had a good deal of new people who've exploring your properties too?
We've had a really good mixture of a bit of both. We're based in the south. We're a southern manufacturing company based in Send in Surrey. So this really is our stomping ground. So we have got a lot of customers that are based around here. And this gives us a really good opportunity to catch up with those customers that we might not necessarily see throughout the year, where they can come to us, they can have a chat, they can bring new parts and new opportunities and have a look at the new products we have in our stand, and it's really good for us.
Mm-hmm. And just briefly, because it's just a soundbite, but you've got like inspection equipment and testing equipment here. It feels like you've got a bigger stand, you've got more on display this year. So is it going well with having that offering?
So we're always trying to innovate and come up with the next best thing with our microscopes, and obviously we've been a microscope manufacturer for the past 60 years. We're UK's largest microscope manufacturer, and we always are trying to stay ahead of the game. So I think the downside to innovating more products is, you have to buy more space to fit them on, but it's not a bad thing. We've got a nice big stand, we've got lots of people here, so we've got a good team, we've got applications guys, we've got design, we've got some support guys, we've got somebody from the manufacturing services team, because we don't just sell microscopes, we do a range of different things. So yeah, we've got a good team, big stand, lots of smiley faces. It's been a good show.
Cool. And the feeling we've been asking, especially the sort of digital transformation concepts that we've been looking at, is do you feel that people are buying into upgrading and expanding their existing capacity, or do you think they've been exploring, trying to reach out to some new markets and some new areas with what they've been investigating?
Sorry.
In sense of people been buying new kit because they need to work new lines and new types of parts, or they're just doubling down and upgrading what they already had?
Honestly, it's a bit of both. We are seeing expansion. I think so. We're big in the electronics industry, and throughout COVID there was a lot of shortages. But now people are able to get those components again, and they're allowed. They can get newer components and better components and faster and maybe even cheaper. So people are picking up these ideas and these projects that maybe fell behind during the COVID period. So we are seeing a lot of people that are pushing the limits of what they're currently already doing, so they are expanding, but also people do want to just upgrade the existing equipment that they've had for the past 20 years. So we cater for all.
Indeed. It's a good answer. And what's your feeling in the outlook for the rest of the year, either internally for your company or for the landscape of the UK? Have you got a couple of words, or what you're summarising it up as what your feeling is for the rest of the year?
So as I said, we're always innovating and coming up with new products. All I'll say is watch this space. We've always got new exciting things happening, so stay tuned.
Oh, interesting. Thanks, Logan. Take care.